Hello everyone, this is our project Cloud Desk, which is based on the problem domain smart education system. So let me just tell you that what is this project and what problem does it actually solve. So as we all know that after post-pandemic, education has shifted online, but the tools have not kept up. Computer science students currently jungle multiple disjoint tools like Zoom for calls or VS Code for local writing and Discord for chats. This fragmentation makes remote learning passive and isolating. Students watch tutorials alone but lack a space to do together. There is no unified platform that mimics the experience of sitting next to a peer in a university lab solving problems in real time. So what does it actually do is integrating all discrete tools that is available for a student or necessary for a teacher or any student, which is very necessary for our learning process. So let's just create a session and guide you through the workflow that how this website works. I will just simply click create session. Here it asks about one-on-one session or a group session. So I will just click one-on-one session and then create the meeting. Uh, as you can all see, the meeting has been created successfully and is asking the permissions. I have allowed my camera, and after little bit of time, the meeting is being created successfully. Let me just off my camera and mic too. Uh, Here I have added a smart coding live code editor. Uh, First of all, let's add another participant to show how things work. Now just sign in with another ID. So let's get started. I will just sign in with another ID. As you can see, I am signing with a different account. So it is authenticating my ID, and after clicking this captcha, I am redirected to the landing page or my dashboard of the site. I will just click simply on the join button and it is asking the code. The admin can share the code manually so that any participant can join the meeting. I will just enter the code here and then join session. So the pop-up says joined session successfully. After a few time, let me just off my microphone and camera too. So this is the code editor. Uh, so from the admin's perspective, this is the code, and let's try any live changes that is reflecting or not. So in the another profile, we can see that this is also reflecting. If I will just do this, you can see that whatever we click here, it is reflecting live real time. So as we verified that it is reflecting successfully in the real time, that whatever the changes we are doing in one profile, it is showing on another profile too. So the live sync is working fine. So let me just put it on full screen. Now let's close this code editor. Here I can also show you that this code editor gives us different options, plenty of options of different languages, and whether if we will change this language in one profile, it will change on another profiles too. Let me just full screen this too. So here if I will choose Python and not from only the admins, here the participant can also change the language. If I will click Java here, it will click Java. So now let's close this editor and open the whiteboard for the learning process. So, so this is the whiteboard that we have integrated successfully, and this is also synced, and this is also working real time. If I will just open this, so here it is also working fine. Now let me just draw something like a quick rectangulars or diamonds. If I will add this shape like circle or any triangle, rectangle, anything, whether we can write something too, like just adding some comments, it will it will reflect on the another's here. Yeah, all changes have been real time. So this is the tools that we are providing actually. And admin side, we can see a smart monitor button. After enabling it, if the participant switches is so the pop-up says that anti-cheat mode enabled by the host. If the admin switches the tab, the meeting will automatically kick the other participant who have switched the tab. So I don't need this feature currently, so I will just switch off this feature. So the anti-cheat mode is disabled. So as I have shown you that this mode also allows us to share the screen. I have added many features like entire screen. I will just share my screen. As you can see, this is my screen and I am presenting on the another tab. I can see that the users tab is clearly visible and it is available in the full screen too. Now let's go back to this page. Now let's close this whiteboard too and also stop the screen sharing. We have also added a chat button. Here we can chat too. The chat is also successfully working. So thank you.